Look who it is.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring, accompanied by Bobby the Brain Heenan from Charlotte, North Carolina. Weighing in at 245 pounds, the Superstar.
Big time match on tap. When the competition level is this high, you can bet it will be memorable. Always walking around with a chip on his shoulder. He's going to use that anger against his opposition.
Opponent, accompanied by Bischoff, representing the NWO from Hollywood, California, weighing in at 302 pounds, the WCW World Heavyweight Champion, Hollywood Hogan.
We're looking at some of the most intense competitors in all of WWE, about to take part in one of the most anticipated matches ever.
Champ does not want anyone making their name at his expense. He plans on fighting hard tonight.
And here's a superstar that has all the tools to be one of the biggest names this business has ever seen.
I'm not ready to crown him as the next big thing just yet, but his performance in this match could sway me.
You're not the only person to be looking to convince tonight.
And squaring up across the ring, Hollywood Hulk Hogan.
Certainly a long way from prayers and vitamin sacks, and Hollywood Hogan always has a plan mapped out. Sometimes 4 or 5 steps ahead of everyone else.
Into the turnbuckle. Trapped in the corner. Chops and punches.
This superstar could go all day.
And Hogan gets stonewalled.
Dropped into a big shoulder tackle.
Is it enough? And he manages to kick out at 1.
Still in it. He's in a precarious situation. What a spine buster.
Corey, it's definitely an understatement to call Hollywood Hulk Hogan a legend in this business. So how do you face a superstar of his caliber without getting intimidated?
Well, there's always going to be intimidation, Cole, but you have to realize, if you're standing across from Hollywood Hogan, you have earned your right to be there. Stick to what brought you to the dance, so to speak.
Hogan's able to avoid that.
Arms trapped. What a slam. Looks like there's a foil in Hogan's plan. This could be pivotal. From the top. Elbow drop. Good Lord. Hogan winning that exchange. And he's able to counter. Takedown. Now a big swing of momentum against Hogan.
He's sticking with what works against Hogan. No intimidation when facing off against Hollywood.
Big back body drop. What elevation.
Can't quite get him there.
plans are just falling into place with that maneuver.
And there's the cover. He wasted no time kicking out there.
Better hold off on the victory parade.
Oh, kick right to the gut. Another one.
Hogan looking to end this.
And that holds Hogan back. Well scattered reversal there. Just punched him right in the mouth. Relentless.
Enough already.
Rear chin lock, and now just rapid fire punches.
Ref, are you blind?
Well measured. Slips out of the way.
Dropped a big shoulder tackle.
Look at this.
Pendulum backbreaker.
Tick-tock.
Oh, this is not good at all. The pendulum backbreaker stretch. Uh-oh.
Carefully measured.
Oh, man! Leg drop arm breaker. Great wherewithal on the counter. He's getting pushed out into the defensive.
This is where endurance becomes so important in the late stages of the match.
Perched up top.
Misses.
Hogan getting out of harm's way.
What a suplex. Right to the leg.
And more attacks to his core could hinder his offense.
And that was a well-targeted attack. Choke slam!
Landed.
Will it be? And he kicks out of the pin and one.
That's smart. Taking the one to catch your breath.
Hogan's offense gets foiled. What a kick. The monster continues to survive. Are we seconds away from seeing the immortal fall?
Gentlemen, it's time to go to school.
There it is.
Leg lock.
Locked in.
I think he's got it locked in good. I just don't know how to counter this thing.
I don't want to see him tap out. Not like...
After all that punishment, he had no choice but to tap out.
What a way to win a singles match.
Let's take another look at these guys getting after it.
here is your winner, the Superstar.
Impressive win for him here.
This win tonight may have been a career-defining moment. They're definitely celebrating like